All right, in this video, we're going to look at the game information is still changing. Actually, it's back to how it was originally. So we fixed it partway, and now it's broken again. Maybe worse than the previous fix we have. So here we are in a game, and we're going to play some balls here. This is a letter X, so I'm just going to play some balls here. And the way they play bingo on this handset here is they have to manually confirm the ball information. So I'm going to call these, and you'll see on the Excalibur, you'll see American Legion to AL 201 Monday, game one, $0 payout, letter X. Everything's fine. It matches the handset. If we look at game options here, about app, it's also Monday. So no problem there. We've been playing balls, there's no problem. I'll play 62. Now I'm going to purchase something from the point of sale. And as soon as I tender the screen, watch Excalibur, the game number disappears. The other information stays there. Now, as soon as I play another ball or clear another ball, so let's say I play 63, you'll see the game number came back again. I'll confirm that. So selling something from the point of sale changes the second line on the Excalibur screen. The game number disappears, but as soon as you do play another ball or clear a ball in Excalibur, the game information comes back. So I understand where you were persisting to make it come back or refreshing it on your own, which is good. But then game one will confirm as a letter X. So if we go ahead and get a letter X on here, we need 58. We also need 4 and 29. If I'll confirm those. And I need 59 here to get a bingo. So if I play 59, confirm it. I'm going to now go up to the verifier. I'll verify the cards. This is card 27020, 27020. And actually, it's a good bingo. You can see part of the screen that comes up. It is a good bingo. It's confirmed as a letter X, no problem. I don't want to move the camera here because it's delicately balanced here. So what we're going to do now is go to the next game. Next game's a coverall. That's going to take too long to get a bingo. Game 3 is not in the computer. Game 4 is a little easier to play. It's what they call 2 postage stamps. So we're just going to call some numbers here. And as we play here, all right, so we need 26 and 58 to get a bingo. Here's 58. And I'm going to play 26. 26 is needed to bingo. But before I do that, I'm going to sell something from the point of sale. This time, what I want you to do is look at the Excalibur screen, look at the game information, not just the game information, but the game number. If I tender the screen here, tender my purchase, the game number will change, and so will the pattern name rather. And after about 2 or 3 seconds, it changed on its own. It wasn't immediate, but it took a few seconds later to change. So right now, it says the game number is missing. It says it's playing letter X, even though the pattern in the display up here you can't see it, but this pattern here is showing a different pattern, what they call the 2 postage stamp game. So what I'm going to do is play 26, which is needed to get a bingo. You'll notice on the screen, the game number came back again. It refreshed like you wanted it to refresh, but it's not on game 4. The Excalibur says it's, you'll see here, Excalibur says game 4. The handset is on game 4, but the information on the screen here in the lower left-hand corner says game 1, and our video flashboard also says game 1. So it doesn't match up here. So what happens here is that when I go to confirm that ball, I got a bingo. It says I got a bingo. It's got 2 postage stamps. And when I go to verify it, 27095. Even though you can't see it, this red designation here says it's a bad bingo. So when we first went down this path to fix this problem, this is what it was doing before. It was saying game 1, it would revert to game 1 letter X. So it's back to where we were. When you guys fixed it, the pattern name was staying the same, but the game number was changing. Now that you tried to correct the game number, the pattern name, the game number is trying to be corrected, but it's still being put back to game 1. It's not being put back to the game it's supposed to be on. And the pattern name is changing. So in essence, in this aspect here of fixing this aspect, it's not been fixed. And it's just as bad almost as it was before. So we've not made any progress here. So hopefully you'll know where to correct this. Now, when I close this out, if I go to the game 5 and then move it back, you'll see this information here on Excalibur is correct. Game 4, any 2 postage stamps. So that part is still broken. Thank you.